Hello, welcome to Fenjakob Maschinenbau. My name is Christian Streit and I will show you the company today. Here we are in the sales and design office. We have 25 engineers working in different groups, for example for wood and building industry or automotive and plastic industry. And what is very important for us, that we do all design engineering here in-house in Reda for our customers. So we have maximum flexibility to create the best machines for our customers. And here we have our warehouse, where we stock about 35,000 different articles, and every part which comes into the company passes our warehouse and goes either into the final assembly area or is sent to a customer as a spare part. Okay, here we are in our own paint shop. This area will move soon to the other side of the street into our new building. This is a special room here. We are in the lab where we do all testing for our customers. When we test, we do it with our partners like paint companies and trying to find the best solution and parameters for the customer's machines. So here in the background you see a machine which is more dedicated for the automotive and plastic industry. If you are more interested in wood and building industry, please follow me into the next room. I'm here in front of our flagship. This is our Fenspray Perfect machine, the best spray machine in the market for wood and building industry applications. And we have other machines in this lab here as well for drying the paints on the substrates of our customers and to find the optimal parameters for the processes. Here in this area we build conveyor techniques like belted conveyors, roller conveyors, or any other kind of conveying techniques which is needed for our machines, and dryers which have not that height that can be built in this area. Okay, here we are in our sheet metal manufacturing department in the new building. On the right side here to my right hand you see the storage system which we designed and built on our own. We have also a laser cutting machine, bending machines and a PEM stamp machine to react on customers' demands and be flexible with the production of the machines for our customers. Here on the left side we have our storage system for iron beams and tubes which will be cut to length with these saws, grinded, bored and prepared for the welding department. Here on the left side you see a 7-axis milling machine which we invested 2 years ago because we want to be flexible in our production and be on time with parts. As you can see behind me is a heavy construction site. This is the preparation for our second part of the building of the new manufacturing building on this side. It will contain the new paint shop and other pre-manufacturing processes, and when it is finished it will be about 7,000 to 8,000 square meters of roof building. Here we are in our control cabinet shop where all control cabinets are manufactured. We design all control cabinets here in-house. They are programmed in-house and, if needed, labeled with a new L label. Here we are in the area of the final assembly. All machines are assembled in this area. The components which are manufactured outside around this area come together here, are assembled to a complete machine and then tested and sent to the customer. In our service department, our service team cares about all belongings of our customers, be it spare parts delivery or remote service, or if there are no other possibilities, we send our crew to your site. Yes, that was our factory tour. I'm very happy that you have been here and hope you will be back soon and we see us again. Thanks.